Hi, thank you for calling Juvenes Customer Service. This is Brando. Is that correct? Can I have your name, please? Jane? Is that J for Jane? And then A for efficacent oil? I'm sorry, A for Angry Birds? And then N for NMAX? And the last letter would be E for India? E for El Filibusterismo? Hi Jane, so how can I have you today? How can I help you today? Oh, your package is missing? Oh shit, oh I see. Don't worry, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but don't worry. Let me do what I can check. For me to check my resources, may I put you on hold forever? For a very short time, Hi, thank you for waiting, and thank you for your patience. Upon checking, I can give you a refund, pero would you like to take that? Kaso if you... Oh, you will agree for a refund? Yon! Teka, let me just process this for you. Again, thank you for calling Brando. Our customer service. And again, my name is Brando. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Please enjoy the rest of your day. Have a great day today. Thank you. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye po.